Yo, world, what's going on? Hey, it's your grandma's favorite rapper, Mr. Lyrical Incisions it is, but you can call me L.I. for short. Yo, I just want to give a big shout out to everybody who came to Scarlet and Gray tonight with no draws on. You know what I'm saying? I love all of y'all. You know what I'm saying? You gave me something to look forward to. The girl with the G-string, I see you. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we getting ready to get nasty tonight. Yo, big ups to Unruly, everybody in the 614 all the way today, all the way down to H-Town. You know what I'm saying? We doing it like that. And I love the support. Keep giving it to me, I'm gonna give it back to you. And I also want to take a little time out to have y'all contact me, 714-664-9115, Next to Blow Radio, every single Thursday. We got crazy topics. It is the Lieutenant L.I.